Isitha, pooh, has a secret, something you were never meant to know, something they would never teach you esikoleni. Sanibonani, ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntumnyama, uyayazi whipping boy? Awuyazi? Asiqale. Wait, before siqala, let's go back and reread i-history yethu. Understand ukuthi between u-1500 no-1867 historians estimate that 12.5 million Africans were forcefully taken from i-continent yabo yase-Africa through isigqila trade. Understand ukuthi 10% to 15% of labo bantu abathathwa, some of them were unalived. Understand ukuthi in the Middle Passage alone about 1.5 to 2 million people baphoswa elwandle or bancishwa ukudla or bashawa, that's leading them ukuthini ba-unalive bengakayiboni ngisho iland yase-Europe. And amongst those millions kwakhona ngisho abashana ngwana. Once upon a time, there was a small boy. Sizombiza nguMandla. Understand ukuthi uMandla grew up in Africa, the land of milk and honey. Everything yayitholakala wedlalela esihlahleni, running in the fields. Him and his family grew up perfectly bejabulele. Nothing was wrong at that time. Suddenly, one day, strangers were seen on their land, and uMandla did not understand ukuthi kwenzekalani. Little did he know ukuthi these strangers are about to change impilo yakhe forever. Suddenly, things started to change. These settlers started coming to our communities abo and started taking our community members. And so umndeni wakaThemba and everyone decided to take their things and run. They ran and ran, running from our settlers, knowing very well ukuthi lama settlers, they want to take them by force. Unfortunately, we all know ukuthi Isitha they were able to capture uMandla abathathe on a long voyage besuka e-Africa by Europe. And when they got to Europe, they were separated. Ama-adults athathwa ahamba wodwa, and then Ngwana was taken, especially uMandla. This is where our story begins for uMandla. Understand ukuthi instead of ukuthi athathwe ayodayiswa to go do free labor, uMandla was the chosen one. Wathathwa wahanjiswa waya kwi-royal house, kwathiwa nope, usezohlala la. Unlike most yabantu, uMandla wathathwa wabekwa side to side neprince, kwathiwa bazokhula ndawonye, eating the same food, learning the same things. uMandla would be a representation